So our customer support team is live here in Las Vegas. They're a group of dedicated individuals that truly enjoy helping our customers. Our team knows how to help you regardless of what your challenge is. So if you need help installing our mobile app on your phone or setting up your wallet, or if you're at the machine and you need some help walking through a transaction, they can literally take you step by step and guide you through any of the processes that you need to go through in order to complete a transaction at one of our ATMs. So our customer support, just amazing people. They love what they do. They love helping you. They love answering your questions, and they're experts at what they do. There are a lot of questions. There are a lot of concerns about security and safety, and is this reliable, and is this actually going to work? And that's why our customer support is there, is to guide you through the transaction and help you out. The other beautiful thing about what they do is if there's ever a situation where, someone might be trying to take advantage of you or scam you, they are there monitoring all transactions. We take preventative measures to make sure that you're not getting taken advantage of, to make sure that everything is valid and legit, so that way you have a great experience and you come back. We want to keep you as a customer. We want to have you coming back, and we want to just give you the best experience in the industry.